Hello friends, if you are searching how to pause CookUnity subscription, so try this method. Today in this video, we are going to tell you how you can pause your CookUnity subscription. Only in some easy steps, all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. Navigate to CookUnity official and sign into your account using your credentials. Now move to the My Account page and select your plan under that section. You will now be able to select the number of weeks you need to take a break. Since your request, you will have the option to pause your subscription for about 8 weeks. During this period, you won't be charged or get any kind of deliveries. Provide them with feedback and then, you will be sent a confirmation email for the same. They will also send you an email a few days prior to the reactivation of your account. And you are done. Only by using this method, you can easily pause CookUnity subscription. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.